Hey there, kiddos.
Kiddos, in this video, we're going to go over Unit 3.1, Lesson 3.1, that has to do with exponents. So in your notebooks, you're going to want to make sure that you are labeling. This is Topic 3. With Topic 3, you're going to want to be making sure that it's numeric and algebraic expressions. We're going to be talking about how to understand and represent exponents. And for that, you're going to get the following key concept in regards to exponents. And that exponents are a way to represent multiplication, where you're using a base and then the exponent, where that base is going to be the number that you are multiplying, and then the exponent is letting you know how many times you are multiplying that base to itself. So what does that all mean? We have this example of 5 to the 4th power. So that large number 5 is what we refer to as our base, and then the 4 is the exponent. And so the 5 being the base is letting us know that this is going to be the factor that is going to be multiplied by the exponent, letting you know how many times it's going to be multiplied to itself. So in this example, 5 to the 4th power means 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. More often than not, when students look at exponents, the mistake that they make is wanting to just multiply the base times the exponent. So 5 to the 4th power, a lot of times students would just write 20, because 5 times 4 is 20. Whereas this is not saying 5 groups of 4. This is merely saying, hey, we're going to take 5 and multiply it to itself 5 times, multiply it to itself again 5 times, and multiply again 5 times. So when we multiply 5 times 5, that's 25. 25 times 5 is 125. And then 125 times 5 gives us 625. So 5 to the 4th power is equal to 625. Along with those key points, we're going to go through this together in class. For the do you understand and how do you know? So for this year, again, you're going to want to cut this out, go this into your composition notebook. Ensure that as we're going through this in class, you're following along. The key points being, particularly, if you look at question number 6, question number 6 asks, we want to write 81 as a repeated multiplication of 3's. Then we want to write it as a power. So what does that mean, writing it as repeated multiplication? So it's repeated multiplication. It's 3 times 3 gives us 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is equal to 81. So that's writing it as repeated multiplication. How would we write this as an exponent, or using an exponent? Well, we see that the 3 is what's being repeated, so 3 is going to be the base. And then the number of times that we see that the 3 is being repeated, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's going to be our exponent. So 3 to the 4th power is equal to 81, because it means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which gives us a product of 81. So 3 to the 4th power is equal to 81. Now the next one that we'll want to make sure that we pay attention to again is question number 10, where we have a fraction, or a rational number that also has an exponent. What does this mean? Well, 1/6 squared, or 1/6 to the 2nd power, merely means 1/6 times 1/6. And this we've done before in Topic 2, or Unit 2, where we're multiplying fractions. And so we multiply numerator times numerator, 1 times 1, and then denominator times denominator, 6 times 6, gives us 36. So 1/6 to the 2nd power, or 1/6 squared, is equal to 136. How about you go ahead and give it a try for questions number 11, 12, and 13.